How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Skin whiten, tomato facial, get fair, glowing, spotless skin, permanently. Watch us now. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to get spotless skin. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. One teaspoon of flour, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of tomato juice. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Very well. Now it's a time to apply this recipe on your skin. Take a piece of tomato and dip it in with this recipe. Then massage your skin gently. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it off by a warm water. For best results, use this recipe once a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.